to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing today. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you'd like to, I'll leave my referral link down below. It gives you $25 towards your first box if you haven't tried them. And I would get $25 too, no pressure. But we have Stitch Fix, and we're gonna open her up with our trusty, rusty screwdriver. Okay, here we go. I think I remember that it's all tops in this fix. And I might have even picked all of them out from the preview. I was going for a certain look because if I remember, I think they're all kind of similar. But I am a tops girl. That could be taken back. I like shirts. It is my downfall. You know, I have like, whatever, maybe 5, 6 pairs of jeans. I do have a lot of pants for work, but I have so many tops, and it is my sickness. It's fine. We have the mailer to send back what you don't want to keep. We have our note and our invoice. I mean, if you've been watching my channel, you know I like shirts. I'm a shirts girl. 3 spring trends you need to know. That's kind of cute. They put a little thing in there. Elevated essentials, florals, and preppiness, I guess, is the spring trends. Who knew? Not me. Okay. Well, you know, I don't know. This isn't floral, but it's kind of like pastel. I've been going with there's a lot of pastels out there right now. Pastels and then like Kelly green I see everywhere. Hi Rachel, happy Fix Day. How was your birthday? It was good. I hope you had a wonderful day. Let's start with the dress you chose. That's right, I picked a dress, so it's not all tops. This style can work well with a pair of sneakers, like Keds, don't have any Keds, and a jean jacket, dressed up with heels or a pair of sandals wedges depending on your day. How do you feel about the colors in person? Do you like the length? Let me know. Of these 4 shirts that you chose, which is your favorite and why? All 4 of them will be great for pairing with trousers or jeans this season. Until next fix, Alyssa. Still don't know if it's Alyssa or Elisa, but I think it's Alyssa. Here we go. We'll go over the prices at the end. We'll pull out our little bundle. Oh, this is the pretty side. Some very pretty florals in there. All right, here we go. Oh, she's soft. You know what? They've been putting a lot of papers and stuff in these pictures lately. I've noticed, at least in the last one. This is the French Gray Dahlia Knit Flutter Sleeve Dress in mint, size large. Look how pretty this is. And you guys, this is so freaking soft. It feels like, who remembers LuLaRoe leggings? That's what it feels like. I thought it was really cute. It has kind of like that seam, I guess, going down the front. Has a little tie. Oh, it's so pretty for spring. I do have a bridal shower I have to go to in May. I also have a baby shower, sprinkle, to go to later this month too. So maybe I could wear it to both. Maybe, if I like it. And next, oh, this is a nice texture. See, the thing when you like see the previews is you don't know like the material. Well, if you click on it, I guess you do. But like in person, it's different. I didn't expect it to be this texture. Kaylee Herrera, short sleeve knit top in light green, size large. And she is pretty. Got a V-neck. Oh, I like that. And the little flutter sleeve. I cannot wait to get out all of my spring and summer tops because all my sweaters and stuff are still hanging up. And I can't wait. And next we have, I got a lot of the little tops, you guys. This is the Monday Fun Sue Tulip Sleeve Top in blue, size large. And look at it. Little daisies on this freaking tulip top with that tulip sleeve. That's cute too. Oh, it's buttons. You can't tell. Look, there's buttons. You see them? See the little buttons? And like some pleating right here. But with the pattern, you can't really tell until you're up close. But that's cute. It's cute. Me with my cute. This one has buttons you can really see. There they are. And this is the Market and Spruce Zoa button down top in pink, size large. And I thought that was nice too. It's got a little tiny cuff on the sleeve there. And last but not least, hear that? Hear that crinkle in there? They put paper in there too, dang. Dang, and a silica gel. And then this one is the Monday Fun Zinnia Flutter Sleeve Top in mustard, size large. And that has buttons too. Buttons going down. So I was going for a certain look, as you can tell. But this is all like very spring, very kind of springy tops. And I liked them. So there. All right, let's try everything on. Here's the first top, since it was last out of the box, first on the pile. And I think it's cute. It has tiny sleeves. So almost like a tank, because it's just got these little tiny flutter sleeves. And the buttons go all the way down. Let me back you up a little bit. We're backing up. Backing up. I don't know, I'm in a weird mood today. So buttons go all the way down. I think I missed a button. Yep, I did. There's a button I missed. Real time. Oh, it's been a while since I did a real time. Yeah, I think it's cute. Here's the little V-neck, but it's rounded here, so it's not just straight V-neck. I think that's nice. It'd be really cute under a cardigan too. Here, let's, oh, hang on. Did I miss another button? I missed 2 buttons. Well, technically they did, because I just put this on over my head, so these ones were not buttoned. Do a little front tuck. Cute. I like the color. I don't have a camion under it. If I did, I think this wouldn't be coming apart so easily, but the buttons are pretty close together, so it's not really coming apart too bad. Just a little there. Here's the wall. Here's the length. Untuck it so you can see. It's really comfortable. I think it's cute. Okay, this is the contender. Let's try on more. Little cute pink top. Pink top. Did anybody watch Modern Family? There was an episode where Manny had squeaky shoes at a museum and he was afraid everyone was going to call him squeaky shoes, but then they just called him pink tops. He was wearing a pink shirt. Random, but that's what came to my head. It's a cute pink top. Here's the back. Again, I think if I had a camion under it, it wouldn't be pulling like this because it would have something like some fabric underneath it to cling to instead of just me. But it's really cute too. It's a little front tuck. Tuck it in all the way for if you wanted to, but I think it's cute. It's nice and blousy. I liked how blousy these tops were. And lightweight for like spring and summer. This one's pretty too. And then if it does pull apart, even with a cami under it, I could just put a stitch there. It's not like I'm gonna unbutton it. This one's really sweet. It's really sweet too. Oh, let's do more. This one's nice too. It's fine. No, it's nice. I'm saying it's fine that I'm liking everything. Cause you know, it's just fine. If I want everything, I do. It is what it is. This one's really nice too. Again, very blousy. I think it's very flattering. Could be flattering on anyone, any size, anytime, anywhere. It's very lightweight again, so I think it's a nice spring summer shirt. Here's a little here's a little close up if you can kind of see like the pleating here. You can kind of see it moving. I know it's hard because it's like a pattern, but there's just 3 buttons right there. And they're just decorative. They don't do anything. Do a little front tuck. Get a little blousiness. I think it's cute. Gosh darn it. Okay. The tulip sleeve as well. A little tulipy. I have some tulips on my kitchen table right now. I got some for my birthday from my sister-in-law, Mallory, and then they died. And so, but I liked them so much, I got some more tulips because it's very springy. I think this one's cute. I wasn't expecting to like this one as much as I do, but I think it's really nice. All right, let's do one more top and then the dress. The sleeves are adorable. It's like a soft mint green. It's coming off a little more bluish on camera, I think, but it's a very like minty green. We have a little front tuck with these. It's so cute. I would wear it obviously to work mostly, I would think, but I think it would be cute on the weekend too. The other ones, I think I could do both for sure. This one, like if you're going out to eat or doing something, but just like on a regular Saturday or Sunday, I don't know I'd wear. But it's very cute too. It's a weirder material than I thought. Like, I thought it was gonna be more like these ones where they're blousy, but this one's like, it's stretchy. But then like when you do stretch it, it shows little, like your indentations from where you moved it, you know? So it's kind of different. But I like this one too. Let's try on the dress. Is it a 5 for 5? God damn it. Do I have the money to spend on a 5 for 5 right now? Look at this cute dress. Look at it. It's cute. It's got a little tie. I wasn't sure what to do. I think I'd just leave the tie lengthwise like this, but it has enough where you could like wrap it around and then do like a little shorter tie if you wanted to. Hello, let's look at the length. I think it's really adorable. The only thing that could have made this dress better is pockets. But I think it's so cute, especially for like a little bridal shower, baby shower. I don't know, it's super cute. You can swing in it. Here's the back. I like the little ruffle on the sleeves. Oh. Okay. We have to go over prices and see how much this could potentially cost me if I keep it all. It's gonna hurt. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Here we go. Everything's size large. The Monday Fun Sue Tulip Sleeve Top in blue. So that's the one with the daisies. $44. The French Grey Delia Knit Flutter Sleeve Dress in mint. $54. Not bad. The Kaylee Herrera Short Sleeve Knit Top in light green. The mint one. $36. The Market & Spruce Zoa Button Down Top in pink. $44. And the Monday Fun Zinnia Flutter Sleeve Top in mustard. $44. So the whole box totals $222. If I keep everything, it's $166.50. Do I want to keep everything? I really did like everything. My least favorite, although I still liked it, was the last top we tried on in the mint green color, which was the $36 one, of course. I really did like everything. I have to think about it. It could be a 5 for 5. By the time you see this, I'll have checked out already, but let me know. I liked everything. Okay, well, I have thinking to do and checking out to delay until maybe, do you think I could just extend my checkout till when I get paid next? Maybe. Yeah, well, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I'm really torn. If I only keep one thing, I really liked this top, surprisingly. I think that was my favorite of the tops. So if I only keep one thing, which is what I usually do, if anything, is probably this one. But we'll see. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you're having a good day, night, evening, morning, whenever it is you're watching this. And I will see you next time.